Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be assembling the 820 Pro Series. Before I start, I'm going to lay everything out on the table and check the owner's manual to make sure that I have all the parts. First, I'm going to mount the wheels using an axle pin, washer, and cotter pin. Next, tip the barrel up on a piece of cardboard and attach all four legs. Then secure the bottom shelf to each support leg using a lock washer, and screw. Secure the lid stopper onto the top of the main barrel using the pre-installed screw. Remove the pre-installed screws from the lid handle and mount the bezels and handle to the lid. Next, install the tool hooks and mount the side shelf to the barrel. Then secure the chimney gasket, and chimney cap to the side of the barrel. Next, attach the front shelf brackets to the front of the barrel. Then install the front shelf using the screws, bushings, washers, then nuts. And lastly, insert the flame broiler, the porcelain-coated cooking grids, the upper shelf, the grease bucket, and the meat probe. And that's how you assemble the Pit Boss 820 Pro Series. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go online to pitbossgrills.com to check out other products.